and dealing with certain legislation as it regards to customer awareness, customers understanding, and also consumer protection. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Parts Talk. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. The question today is, are dealerships dying? So, without further ado, let's go right into this video. Let me just pause right there. This video is brought to you by the Wall Street Journal. The link will be in the description box below. Now, large auto groups continue to absorb other smaller players, other smaller dealerships as time goes by. They know a secret, they know what's up. So something must be going on why they continue this trend over the last 5 years. But the thing is, with the current EV revolution taking place, more of these companies have decided that they're going to be dealing with customers directly online. One of the concerns I have is that not having dealership creates chaos for after sales. Tesla is now paying for that, and they are catching up with customer satisfaction. Let's continue.
There wouldn't be any laws that say that a manufacturer of products can't sell them directly to their customer. So yeah.
Yes, because in certain countries there are laws that protect dealerships from manufacturers. So manufacturers are not allowed to go directly to the customers unless they can understand exactly what the fine prints are and dealing with certain legislation as it regards to customer awareness, customers understanding, and also consumer protection. There's a dangerous precedent that's been set by the EV manufacturers or legacy manufacturers, which the video just stated, who are going directly into the EVs and bringing EVs to the forefront of the cars that are going to be sold right now. Dealers are at the forefront of a manufacturer's relationship with its customers, and the customers are the link to the market. So like most franchise businesses, dealership management means putting the relationship between the manufacturer and the customers in the hands of independent businesses. Online purchases does not build customer relationship, and I will emphasize that as time goes by. In my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide, one of the diagrams I have here on page 8 for the online book itself is that after sales. After sales is compounded from new vehicle sales. New vehicle sales give to the customers. The customers will then in turn return to that dealer to have their car serviced over a particular period of time. Or sometimes within the warranty period, a lot of customers actually leave after the warranty is up and then they go to independent garages and shops. However, if the customer satisfaction is there, then the customer will always return to that dealer for repeat sales. Service and parts will emphasize that way. One, growing the absorption rate for the dealership in terms of if sales are down, then parts and service take up that slack. For a dealer, they need to have good mechanics for repair and reliability of their part supply, their supply chain is on hand so that the customers will be satisfied at all times. Hence, we have customer satisfaction. Online businesses does not do that. We have the after sales portion of it. Parts and service will totally be cut out of that online experience that legacy manufacturers are now going to be pushing towards you. Let's continue this video. Well, I beg to differ. This is a North American and a Western concept. In other areas of the world, they depend solely on parts and service in order to boost that dealerships, because we have seen time and time again where once there's an economic crunch, once there's a natural disaster, we're witnessing it right now. Customers who can't afford a new car or can't have access to a new car will tend to keep their cars longer, and there's also been an uptick in businesses in garages for dealerships. Servicing and parts have increased. So there's one thing I can emphasize and share with you is that a dealer manages its business on two levels. One, they maximize new car sales, and two, they service existing customers. Sales rooms or showrooms doesn't do that. You will never have that personal customer relationship ever again. And let me leave you with this new motto I've developed. Engineers build, mechanics maintain what the world now takes for granted. So let's start the conversation below. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. Smash that like button on your way out. It will only take you 1.5 seconds to do so. Thank you. Until next time.